हेलो गाइस, कैसे हो आप सब। वेलकम टू आवर चैनल ब्लास्ट क्वेश्चन। आई एम योर होस्ट प्रवेश. So guys, today we discuss about what type of question were asked in JANPAT for finance profile like R2R, OTC, AR and AP. One is R2R. R2R means record to report. Second means OTC, over the counter. Third one is AP, accounts payable, and fourth one is AR, account. Firstly, interviewer asked to tell me about yourself, so you have to give your introduction. So, guys, what is account? Account is the art of classifying, analyzing, recording, and summarizing financial information to the management. What are golden rules of accounts? There are three types of accounts: real account, personal account, and nominal account. So, we discuss real account. A real account is a general ledger account relating to assets and liabilities other than people accounts. These are accounts that do not close at year end and are carried forward. Rule: debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Next is personal account. Personal account is a general ledger account connected to all persons like individual, firms and association. Rule: debit the receiver and credit the giver. This next one is a nominal account. Is a general ledger account pertaining to all income, expenses, losses and gains. The rule: debit all the expenses and credit all income and gains. So guys, next question is depreciation. The monetary value of an asset decreases over time due to use, wear or tear and obsolescence. So guys, next question is what is accrued income? Accrued income is an income which has been earned but not yet received. Example: interest on investment but not yet received, commission earned but not yet received. Next question is what is contingent liability? A contingent liability is potential liability. It depends on future event occurring or not occurring. Next one is balance sheet. A balance sheet is a statement of financial position of business that lists the assets, liabilities and owner equity at particular point in time. So guys, next question is what is profit loss account? The profit and loss statement is a financial statement that summarizes the revenues, cost and expenses incurred during a specified period, usually a fiscal quarter or a year. So next one is accounts payable. Accounts payable is nothing but money which a company need to pay to vendors for goods and services purchased on credit. Account payable is a current liability of a company. This item appears on liability side of a balance sheet. So guys, next question is what are different modes of payment? Cash payment, check payment, telegraphic transfer or mail transfer, bill of exchange, promissory note, bank draft as mode of payment. Digital modes are debit card and credit card, internet banking, mobile banking, online payment using apps like PayPal, etc. So next is invoice. Invoice is a statement which contains the under mentioned details compulsory: invoice number, invoice date, name and address of the person making the invoice, name and address of the person to whom invoice is made, description of goods and services involved, applicable rates and taxes with percentage, rate of goods and services, quantity of goods and services, price value of goods and services. Invoice must be signed by the person making it. So guys, next is trial balance. A trial balance is a bookkeeping worksheet in which the balance of all ledgers are compiled into debit and credit account columns, totals that are equal. A company prepares a trial balance periodically, usually at the end of year reporting period. The general purpose of producing a trial balance is to ensure the entries in a company's bookkeeping system are mathematically correct. So guys, last question is amortization is an accounting term that refers to the process of allocating the cost of an intangible asset over a period of time. It also refers to repayment of loan principal over a time period. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel Blast Questions. So hopefully you like the video.